the elevator at the Lincoln Airport parking garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. It's a Montgomery Vector from 1987. So here we go. Let's start going down first. So here we go. In 2019, this elevator is getting modernized by innovation decorated fixtures. Here it is. Let's go down to 1. A Vector with a side door. That's the first. And it's traction. Or believe it or not, let's go to 4. And here we go. Here, 4. Nope, it was wrong. It's hydraulic. Let's go down the street. Here are your fixtures, Vector fixtures. There's your phone right there. Fornicator. The Montgomery elevator. Here at the street level. Alright, that's it.